Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can now quickly craft items and grow a garden. So select the recipe you want. I'm going to craft another pet pouch here. Make sure you have everything in your inventory. If you are sure you have everything, just press submit all instead of submitting it one by one. It's going to go through your inventory and it's going to submit the item needed. You can then just press E and that's it. You don't have to submit each item one by one anymore, which is great. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!